Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a XY scatter chart in VBA Excel. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or you have any suggestions about our VBA chart series, then please do comment in the comment section. So let's dive into our video first. Now, today we are going to see how to create a XY scatter chart in VBA Excel. To create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen. So this is the sample data which I've created by my own in Excel to create the XY scatter chart in VBA Excel. Now, first we will see our output of our chart, and then we will get a deep understanding about our VBA code inside our VBA editor. Now let's see the output first. Now as you can see on the screen that this is our final output after creating this amazing chart in VBA Excel. To create this chart, we will be seeing that what codes has to be written to create this type of charts. Now what we have done, we will get a deep understanding using the VBA code in VBA editor. Now let's get a understanding and let's see that what codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create our XY scatter chart in VBA Excel. So we have named our sub procedure as create XY scatter chart. You can mention your sub procedure's name as per your convenience. Now we will be seeing that what all steps we have to take or what all steps we have to write to create this amazing XY scatter plot chart in VBA Excel. Now our first step will be to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is my data to create XY scatter chart, and I have selected a single cell which is C4 over here inside my chart. I've selected a single cell. Now I'm going to use two with statements to create this amazing chart in VBA Excel. The first with statement will be with active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and then we will open the brackets, and inside the brackets we will give some parameters inside it. So first parameter will be our chart value, and then we will mention our chart type, which is Excel XY scatter in VBA. And then what we are going to do is we are going to mention our position of our chart using left, width, top and height. Also we are going to close this brackets and we are going to select our chart. Once you have written this line of code in VBA Excel, then automatically our chart will be created. But after creating the chart, we have to set some elements, our chart title as well. So to do that, we are going to select our chart after creating. So to do that, we have to use dot select after closing our brackets over here. Now after creating it, we are going to use another with statement inside our chart, and we are going to say that with active chart. So we are going to do some operations with our active chart. So what we are going to do is we are going to set our chart title. We are going to show the data labels over here, and we are going to remove the grid lines inside our chart, and then we are going to set our legends on top. So to do that, we have to write this block of code in VBA Excel, and we will see what they are in depth now. So after writing with active chart, we will say dot has title equals to true, and then so this line of code will ensure that this will ensure and inform our VBA editor that we have a title inside our chart. Then we are going to set our name of our chart title. To do that, we are going to use dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart. This can be changed as per your convenience, and you can use any name which you have to give for your chart. Now, after setting our chart title, we are going to set the data label. So we are going to show the data labels on our chart. As you can see, our data labels are popping up inside our chart. To do that, we are going to use dot set element, and inside the bracket we will use MSO element data label show. This will help our chart to show the data labels inside our chart. Now, after this, we are going to use dot set element, and as you can see, these two lines of code will help us to remove the grid lines inside our chart. So first one says dot set element MSO element primary value grid lines done. So this is our value grid lines. This is our value and this is our category. So first it will remove the value grid lines, and then it will remove the category grid lines from our chart. Once you have removed this grid lines, what we are going to do is we are going to set another element which will be our legend. So we are going to set our legend on top inside our chart. So as you can see, the legends are placed on top inside our chart. So to do that, we are going to use dot set element, and inside the bracket we will be mentioning MSO element legend top. This will help us to set our legends on top. After performing these actions, what we are going to do is first we are going to close the inner with statement. So as you can see, this is our inner with statement, and we have closed that first, and then we are going to close the outer with statement, as you can see over here. So once you have written these lines of code in VBA Excel, your chart will be ready. And as you can see that we have initially selected our chart over here. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any blank cells inside our Excel worksheet. So in my worksheet, cell B4 is the blank cell. So I'm selecting that to deselect my chart. Now, congratulations, you have learned how to create XY scatter chart in VBA Excel. If you want to know more about the other chart types in VBA Excel and the visualizations, then please do subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment if you have any doubts or any suggestions. Till then, happy coding by BPO Coder. Bye.